We are at beautiful Highland Elementary in Lake Worth Beach. I got to be a Panther today and spend some time in Mr. Fragil's and Ms. Bajar's class. I'm not a musician by trade, so I was an active learner today with the students.
Low, low, high, low. Excellent. Everything I've learned, what I'm passing on to my students, I got through professional development. So I use that, make my students better than probably myself when I was their age.
Mr. Fragil is an incredible teacher. He's putting on his own performance probably 6 times a day.
Energy. You need to have the energy. Now we're gonna have a jam session.
We're so fortunate in Palm Beach County because we have a 1 mil property tax levy that voters approve every 4 years, and that's what makes this possible. Ms. Bajar, what do you have me doing today?
You're going to be a percussion student in our band class today, in our Panther Pride band. I'm going to give you 4 beats ahead. When my hands come down, that's okay.
It's challenging to read music and keep time and understand the different notes, and I found that out firsthand this morning. This program at Highland's actually been in place for many years, but thanks to our school board, we made a major investment in musical instruments using some federal grant dollars a few years back. We've been growing these programs throughout our elementary schools, and then also we really went back and reinvested in our middle and high school band programs to bring in new instruments, cases, music stands, everything they need, and it's paying off.
If I see a young musician develop into an independent young musician, that is incredibly satisfying for me.
I think this is going to be a great episode because of our little Panthers here and the 2 amazing teachers. They are just incredible. I knew it'd be a fun day, and it lived up to the hype.
Wow, Mr. Burke, we get to present you with your positive office referral. For being an amazing Panther, you kept great rhythm on the drums, played the recorder very well as you participated in the percussion section with the advanced band.
First time ever in my life I have received a positive referral.